Airborne Weather Forecast from meteorologist Savannah Brito.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back. Temperatures out there staying pretty stationary. That's thanks to a boundary that's just to our west. Expect temperatures to stay mild again tonight. We're at 62 right now in Rockford, 61 in Rochelle, 63 degrees in Freeport, and 64 in Savannah. We did and still sit under mostly cloudy skies. It has been windy out there also this evening. Rockford gusting up to 21 miles per hour this afternoon. DeKalb at 20. Janesville at 17. Still not as windy as what we just had yesterday, but roughly between about 15 close to 25 miles per hour in some locations out there this evening, this afternoon into this evening. Cloudy skies continue though. We're not going to see a good chance of the sun returning at least for the next couple of days. Spotty showers did move through Lee and DeKalb counties. Now all of that moving eastward, pretty much affecting the Chicagoland area, so nowhere across the state line. I do think showers are going to increase though as we head between about midnight and 2 a.m. These do increase in coverage. There will be potentially isolated thunder, definitely pockets of heavier showers overnight into early tomorrow morning. This is what 6 a.m. should look like. Still holding pretty steady showers in the forecast then. So if you are heading out early, probably want the rain gear handy. Off and on showers do continue though for Thursday, and then they do kind of decrease as we head into Thursday evening, Friday overnight hours. Expect a few isolated ones to continue. Scattered, isolated to scattered for Friday afternoon and evening. So we do hold on to an active pattern still. As we work towards the weekend, temperatures are really going to cool down. Could still see some showers behind that low pressure system into the weekend. Through this time Friday at about 6 p.m., we are expecting about an inch and a half for rainfall totals. Maybe a few areas that do slightly see higher amounts though, probably looking at just to our northwest where the heavier band of precipitation is going to fall. Also, the big thing to note, the cool down. So right now we do have a southwesterly flow and ridging. We even broke our previous high of 80 degrees by reaching 81 degrees yesterday afternoon. We are seeing a trough though just over the Pacific Northwest, Montana, the Dakotas. Snowfall, heavy snowfall expected there. We're not forecasting snowfall to move in here, but this trough is going to expand further to the east and bring a lot of the country well below average temperatures, including this area, unfortunately, as we're leading up to Halloween. There is a rebound in temperatures and ridging that moves back in, so there are signs that we could switch back to a little bit of a warmer pattern. Definitely the case to our southwest for California. Just how cold our temperatures are going to get though, unseasonably and bitter cold temperatures from especially what we had yesterday. Saturday's forecast high down to the lower 50s. A few of us probably not even reaching the 50-degree mark. By Sunday, that's down to 44, and then the forecast by Monday all the way down to 41 degrees. Likely going to see our first fall hard freeze. Our average first 28 degree, that's when temperatures do reach 28 or below that. That's what's considered a hard freeze. Usually that happens October 18th. We have not seen that yet. We have woken up to frosty mornings, and our coolest temperature so far earlier this month. At the beginning to middle of the month, we did see our temperature fall to 29, not 28 yet, but that is in the forecast Sunday night. So temperatures are going to be all the way down into the 20s once we reach that point, even lower than that Monday night. But enjoy the next couple of days. Still got the lower 70s, or at least near the 70-degree mark tomorrow afternoon, up to 72 Friday. The big cool down, and guys, for Halloween, the forecast high Tuesday all the way down to 39. Not far off from freezing levels, so the kids definitely want to bundle up this year, the coats, maybe even a winter coat.